Hi guys, in today's session we are going to discuss about multiple integrals. First thing, if you want to have interest in any subject, then we should know the shortcuts. Before this thing, I would like to tell you some basics about the limits, integration with limits. So integral of x dot dx with the limit 0 to 1. So what is integral of x? X square by 2 and put the limit 0 to 1. Then upper limit minus lower limit respectively. So instead of x, you'll put what? 1. 1 square minus 0 square by 2. Because 2 is a constant. So you'll get answer as 1 by 2. So this is a basic concept which we should know before doing integration. So let's come back to the question. In the limits, if x is given, we have to integrate with y. Let integrate with y. That is dy respectively. And one more shortcut I'll tell you. For the same. There is only one root. This is one root, correct? And inside the one root there is only one variable. So one variable inside the root. Okay, and we are getting integral of xy, and here we got only one variable inside the root, and x power 1 and y power 1. So what is 1 plus 1? 2, correct? And the degrees is an even number, and if the degrees is a even number, so what is the condition? Inside the root there is only one variable, and if I add these two things, if I am getting an even number, then the answer is what? 1 by 24 respectively. Then the answer is 1 by 24 respectively. One more scenario I will tell you. Okay, if there are two variables inside the root, if there are two variables, like let us 1 minus x square minus y square and x, y, z. Okay, if there are two variables inside the root and it's an odd number, and if it is an odd number, the answer will be always what? 1 by 48 respectively. 1 by 48 respectively. So this is a shortcut you have to remember before going to solve any question. This will help you out in the long run. Now let us come back to the question. So already we know the answer as what? 1 by 24. Now see, already we know the answer. And just for you, I'll just show you one more question where we'll get the answer as 1 by 48. Okay. See this question, same thing. There is only one variable inside the root and x cube and y power 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to what? 4 and one variable. So what is the answer here? 1 by 24 itself. So that's how we verify this particular question. See this next question. There are two variables inside the root, but x raised to 1, y raised to 1 and z raised to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. It's an odd number. If the answer is odd number, then what is the answer? We'll get 1 by 48 respectively. So already you know the answer. Then it's very, very easy and interesting for us to solve. Then what I told you, if is x in the variable, in the limits, we have to integrate with respect to our dy. If dy we are doing, then x is a constant. So what is integral of y? Y square by 2. Correct? Just like x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 respectively. Integral of x power n dot dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x by 2 into root of x the whole square minus x square respectively. So root of x square is what? X. Then you multiplied this x inside this thing. That's all. Then integrate separately. Then x cube is what? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So we all take the LCM, or you can use a calculator and we get the answer 1 by 24. Or directly you can substitute the answer 1 by 24 because we already know the answer of this particular question. Let us check the next question. Again here x is there. Then we integrate with respect to what? Dy first, y respectively. So if it is y, then x square is what? A constant. So x square y. Then you have to multiply root x into this. So x square into root x. X square into root x is x power 1 by 2. Correct? So If the base are same, then you have to add. The base are same, we have to add. That's all. So 2 plus 1 by 2, we have to do. Okay, so we'll get 5 by 2 respectively. That's how we get 5 by 2. And y cube means root x the whole cube, which I have clearly given here. X power 1 by 2 into whole cube, x power 3 by 2 respectively. Then we follow the same procedure. Upper limit minus lower limit, and we'll get the answer 3 by 35. And the next one. I told you, if it is an odd number, the answer is what? And one variable, answer is 1 by 24 itself. One variable and it is odd number. But here they given y. Y means you have to integrate with respect to what? Dx. So that is the important thing. That is the reason in all the questions I given y is equal to 0, y is equal to x. And these are the previous year Anna University questions. Same procedure we have to follow and we'll get the answer respectively for the same. Simple integration techniques we have to do. That's all. Let us take this question. X power 1, y power 1, z power 1, dz, dx, dy. Okay. So in that, what will you get? Odd number is coming. Odd number is there, and there are two variables and odd numbers. The answer is what? 1 by 48. So if you don't just forward a little bit, not forward, just go backwards in the video and you can get the answer which I done. X, Y, Z respectively. So here X and Y is given. So we have to use what? Z respectively. So integrate with respect to Z. Z means X, Y is taken as a constant. Z is Z square by 2. Then you substitute inside those things. Okay. Then multiply both the things inside this bracket. Then what is the thing? X. X means you have to integrate with respect to dy respectively. Dy respectively. So you integrate that particular thing. But you should be very careful about these problems. But the only advantage you're having is that now you can already write the answer 1 by 48 respectively without doing anything. That is the advantage I'm giving you. Let us take this problem, e power x plus y plus z. Here we can split these things, e power x into e power y into e power z. Okay, then only we can take constants. This is x plus y, so we integrate with respect to what? Z, dz. So we can treat this as a constant. And integral of e power x is what? E power x. So integral of e power z is what? E power z. Then in place of z, what I'll put? X plus y respectively. X plus y respectively. Correct. And e power 0 is 1. That's how I'm getting here. This is 1. This is e power x plus y upper limit minus e power 0. This is e power 0, that is equal to 1. That's why I'm getting 1 here. Then multiply inside this bracket. Correct. So you'll get e power x plus y into e power x plus y. So the base are same, then we'll add. So e power 2x plus e power 2x dot e power 2y will get. So e power of 2x plus 2y will get. That I am splitting it and writing like this. That's all. Then see here, x is there. X is there means you have to integrate with respect to what? Dy. Dy respectively. Do it and you will get the answer for this also. If you have any doubt, please feel free to call me anytime regarding the same. So I hope this session was useful and I wish you all the best and no need to panic during any integration thing. Kindly repeat the same problems again and again to get confidence.